Welcome to task number 4. Now, let me ask you, what do you know about task number 4? How do you usually answer it, or how do you think you should answer it? Is it going to be the same as the independent or the same as the last task, task number 3? What do you think it's going to be like? Do you think it's going to be easy or more difficult? Is it the same structure as before, or is something going to change? So you want to think about this, be actively involved, like I always say, right? So you want to be actively involved and engaged in the content. Now, let me just give you a rough outline really quickly, is that you're going to read a passage. Well, first, task number 3 ends, and the TOEFL waits for nobody, no matter if you're ready or not. Here comes task 4. Task number 3 is in the past. Task number 1 and 2 are in the past. Don't worry about what happened. Focus on your next task, the one right in front of you, task number 4. Now, you're going to have to read something. They're going to give you about 50 seconds to read it. And then they're going to give you a listening passage, and you have to listen to it. And then they're going to give you 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Okay? Now, let's just jump right in with a question. Let's see how it goes. Write out notes. What do you think? How do you think your note structure should be for the reading? You should write them out right now. Before, I have my note structure written out right here on a piece of paper. I'm ready. You should be ready as well. Make sure that you have notes written out every time. I'm going to teach you how to write out notes after this, but for now I want you to try to guess what you think it should be like. Okay? So here we go. Let's try. Task number 4. Task number 4. And the TOEFL test. The question's going to come up. They're going to read the directions to you. Now let me read them. Directions. You will now read a short passage and listen to a talk on the same topic. You will then be asked a question about them. After you hear the question, give yourself 30 seconds to prepare your response, then record yourself speaking for 60 seconds. You can begin reading now. Okay, and that's about time. So now, after you finish the reading, then they're going to have you listen to something. And the reading disappears, so I'm going to have the reading disappear. And now we listen to a lecture by a professor.
Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic in a psychology class. This happens all the time with kids in school. Say there's a little boy or girl who's just starting school. Well, they're not really used to the rules about proper behavior for a classroom. So at the beginning, they might, interrupt the teacher, walk around the classroom when they're supposed to be sitting down. Just misbehaving in general. Okay, but what happens? Well, the teacher gets angry with them when they act this way. They might get punished. They have to sit at their desk when everyone else is allowed to go outside and play. And they certainly don't like that. Soon they'll learn that this kind of behavior gets them in trouble. They'll also learn that when they raise their hand to talk to the teacher and sit quietly and pay attention during class, they're rewarded. The teacher tells them she's proud of them and maybe puts little happy face stickers on their homework. Now that their behavior gets a good reaction from the teacher, the kids learn to always act this way in class and not behave the way they used to.
Okay, and then it finishes. Then you have 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Why don't you begin speaking now? And you can pause the video now and start speaking yourself. And then you came back. Wow, you're back. Great. Welcome back. So how was it? How is your speaking? How is the reading and the listening? How did it connect to what you heard before in the past in the other tasks? What's different about this? What do you think you should include? How do you think you should begin your response? How do you think you should end your response? What's the time management? What time should you be at this part and at this part and so on? Make sure you think about these before you listen to me explain more about the strategies and the ways to attack and answer speaking task number 4.